I'm Pressy. I'm just attending the conference for like 4 days for BRR projects. So yeah,
How have you found it?
great. So far I'm just grabbing like so much information, and I have been reading some before, but I think to add that into it, it's so much value in it.
And would you like? Have you seen deals made this week in the room? Like,
Yes, some of them they already like did some deals. They've been like calling the agents and like making a deal, and it was quite like even I spoke to like 8 state agents, and then it was kind of like just scary. But then like went on with the conversation, and they're happy to like send me deals. They asked me more, so I was able to like talk to them in a bit more in depth way, like what I am looking for, and that was kind of like life changing to be honest.
and is it like helped with the confidence and stuff? Like
Yes,
seeing how that
absolutely.
happens?
So especially like knowing all the stages and what is available in the market, and like looking for like a better deal than I knew before. So there's so much like options at the moment, and when I spoke to the agents, I was able to like tell them exactly like what I can go for, and they kind of understood everything, and then I was like, oh yeah, that's really good.